Dechen, you're so cute. I'm gonna eat
Where's
you.
the light?
Can I eat you?
No. No, Mama.
Why?
I'm not a cupcake.
But you're so cute.
No, I'm not a cupcake.
Can I eat?
We need a light.
Can I eat JC?
No. We need a light.
It doesn't have one. Can I eat JC?
No.
Why not? But you're so cute. What are you doing? No. Get lost. But you're so cute. I'm hungry.
No.
Well, what should I eat?
You can't eat me.
No. What should I eat? What should I eat?
Me, JC.
You want me to eat JC?
No.
No, we don't eat people.
No.
We don't eat.
No.
We don't eat animals. What are you doing?
I'm not doing it.
What are you playing with?
Some farm animals.
Farm animals? And what are they doing? Oh, you have them. Oh, look, are they sharing their food?
Yeah.
That's so nice. They like to share food?
Yes.
Oh.
And these are staying in the tractor.
Oh, they're going for a ride?
We are going for the ride.
Oh. What are
now
they?
the box is pretending to be a house.
The box is pretending to be a house? Which box? This box?
Yes.
Oh, it's pretending to be a house?
Yes, it is.
Oh, is that where that farmer lives? Is that his house?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Me and chickens can live there.
Oh, that's nice. Is the farmer nice to his chickens?
Yes.
He loves them. What's your farmer's name?
No. Not anymore. I can't remember.
You can't remember? Okay.
I don't remember.
I see. Okay, Dechen, say bye.
Bye.